Crude oil washing, operation of machines, valves, pumps. When the cow machine angle becomes 0, toward bottom, stop sending oil and change over to the next tank. Slowly decrease the RPM of the TCP and throttle the cow master valve. When the RPM reaches the minimum, close the cow master valve fully. At this stage, before the adductor suction pressure becomes positive, close the tank stripping suction valve to prevent backflow from the adductor. On the upper deck, close the cow sub-main valves and keep the cow machine valves open to drain the pipe. After the cow master valve is fully closed, increase TCP RPM to strip the tank. Open the cow machine valves of the next tank to be washed. Open cow sub-main valve of the tank to be washed next. Close the cow machine valves of the previous tank. Station deck duty at the pressure gauge of cow line and at the cow line of the next cow tank. Once pump revolution is reduced to minimum, slowly open the cow master valve to send oil into the cow line. Increase the TCP revolution after cow master valve becomes fully opened. Cow machine will start running slowly. Deck duty must report the condition of the machine to CCR. When the adductor suction pressure becomes negative, open the tank stripping valves. Increase the pump revolution to set the required washing pressure of the cow line. Deck duty must constantly report the running condition of cow machine and check for oil leakage from piping through the upper deck.